Building a business for time freedom, what exactly does that mean? It means growing your business without working harder, make work optional and not a requirement, time for travel, time for family, time for passion. My name is James, and I've been selling online for many years. But one of the things that happened is I was utilizing the wrong methods that was taking time away from me, taking time away from my family, to the point I actually started spending funds that were out of the realm of my financial ability and caused stress in the family and caused me stress to the point I was in the hospital. That caused folks to lose confidence in me and ultimately me losing confidence in myself. But then I found digital marketing and it's been the key. And so if you want to tap into this digital marketing space, put I'm ready in the comments and I'll send you a blueprint right away. Bye.